Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover colors in CSS. In my page I will add one div. I will also add internal CSS and I will use text selector to select div element. I will add width of 500 pixels and height of 300 pixels. And then I will set background color of div. One way I can do that is with color name. I will write red. There are about 140 color names. Now I will open this page in web browser. And you can see this is div element with background color red. I created page with all color names. This is that page and I will also open this page in browser. In this table you can see all color names. You can also search it, Ctrl F, red. This is red, blue, olive, this is olive, and so on. I have code of this page on my GitHub, link is down below in the description. Another way to set color is with RGB color model. I'll write here RGB. So RGB is color model where red, green and blue are primary colors of light. R stands for red, G for green and B for blue. And when you mix those colors in various amounts, you can produce broad array of colors. Values of all three colors go from 0 to 255. When all values are 0, it is black color. It is black. When all values are 255, it is white color. So I'll add 255 3 times. And now it is white, but you can't see div because page has same background color. So I will add here body tag and background color of aqua. When all values are same and value is somewhere in the middle, it is gray color. So I will add 125 3 times. And now it is gray color. Closer you get to 0 with all same values, color gets darker, and closer you get to 255 with all same values, color gets lighter. For example, if all three values are 30, it is black color, but it is not pure black color. I will add here black RGB00. And you can see that this color is black, but it is not pure black. And you can see contrast with RGB000. I will also try that with white background color. So I will remove this and I will add RGB 240 3 times. And you can see this is also white, but there is difference between this white color and pure white color. I created another page where you can try all RGB colors. This is this page, RGB colors. I will open this. Here you can play with values of red, green and blue. When all values are 0, it is black. When all values are 255, it is white. When red is 255 and green and blue are 0, it is red. When only green is 255, it is green. And when blue is 255 and others are 0, it is blue. A link of this page is also in the description. You can also use RGB A. A is for opacity. I'll change values 255 and I will add opacity of 0.5. Values go from 0 to 1. And now color of this div is transparent. I can make it more transparent with value closer to 0. I will now set opacity to 0.1. And now it is very transparent. You can also set color with its hex value. For that I need hashtag and I need 6 hexadecimal numbers. 4, 5 and 6. In hex values there are also colors red, green and blue, and values also go from 0 to 255. Difference is that in RGB you use decimal numbers for values, and here in hex values you use hexadecimal numbers. First two numbers is value of red, second two is value of green, and third two is value of blue color. FF is 255 in decimal system and it is max value of each color. So 6Fs is white color. I will add different background color to body to see difference. Background color aqua. And here you can see this is white color. 6 zeros is black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Black. FF0000 is red. 00FF00 is green. And 0000FF is blue. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.